Hi, second graders, Miss Linder here. Today is Friday, May 22nd. If you are watching this, you did not participate in the live lesson for teaching the science topic today of describing the weather. So we're going to go over this. Some weather tools that meteorologists use include thermometers, anemometers, barometers, rain gauges, and wind vanes. So we're going to think about how these tools help to predict the weather. What are the tools used for? Discuss your answers with an adult. So here's these tools. We're going to click on this link and then go into the study jams and then read more about these tools. So we're going to click on the slideshow. If you want to take your time reading, here's a little pause button. Because there are many different kinds of weather data, meteorologists need many different instruments to measure them all. A thermometer measures the temperature. This thermometer reads 20 below 0 degrees Fahrenheit. So here's an example of a thermometer that tells how warm or cold it is. Pause this one. A hygrometer measures humidity in the air. Humidity is measured in percentages. For instance, you might hear a meteorologist say the humidity is at 80% today. We say that it's really sticky outside if we say it's really humid. Wind vanes. So this is a wind vane. Pictured here in wind socks measures the direction the wind is blowing. So if we say the wind is blowing north, east, south, or west. An anemometer measures wind speed. This scientist is measuring the wind speed in Antarctica. Anemometers have small cups that get turned by the wind. Then the anemometer measures how fast the cups move. So here's an example of one right there. A barometer measures air pressure. Meteorologists use changes in air pressure to predict the weather. High air pressure generally means good weather, while storms thrive in low pressure. Meteorologists use rain gauges to measure amounts of precipitation, like rain or snow. They have to be careful where they place rain gauges to get an accurate collection of precipitation. And meteorologists use weather data to make weather maps. You see these maps in the newspaper or television or on the internet and can know what kind of weather is happening all over the country. So that's the end of that. We'll go back to our slides. So again, your homework for today is going to be talking about these. So we have the anemometer here. We have a thermometer here. We have a rain gauge here. Then we have the wind vane and then a barometer. So if you want to read this over again, you can go back to that slideshow and read more about the instruments. And you're going to use and say how these tools help to predict the weather. So write sentences and describe what each tool is used for and discuss it with an adult. When you're finished with that, send it to your teacher, whether it's text, Class Dojo, Parents Square, or an email. Again, if you have any questions, be sure to reach out to any of the second grade teachers because we're here to help and we'd love to see your work. And then we'll see you next time.